everyone, this is your interview with Farah and I'm here at the Education 2.0 Conference Dubai and I have with me Vinny. Welcome. Could you
Thank
please
you.
introduce yourself and your organization?
So, hi everybody, I am Vinny Mathur. I work with Shiv Nadar University, Shiv Nadar Institution of Eminence, Delhi NCR. I head external relations for the university and I also chair a program called Young Thinkers Forum, which is basically a program for high school engagement.
So I'd like to say congratulations for receiving the Outstanding Organization Award. How did it feel to receive that recognition?
Absolutely wonderful and grateful to Education 2.0 for honoring us with this award. And there's a lot which goes behind getting an award.
Of course.
A lot of hard work of the team back in India.
Right.
So many students, so many parents who trusted us throughout to send their students for the program Young Thinkers Forum.
Right.
And it's a 3-year-old program, and I'm happy that we won 2 awards. There was one earlier in Qatar this year, and the second one in
That's
Dubai.
amazing.
Yes.
Big congratulations to
Thank
all of
you.
you. Now, can you tell us a little bit more about the Young Thinkers Forum?
So Young Thinkers Forum is a program where it started in 2021, where we invite school students to come for summer schools and winter schools to engage with our faculty, with our students, and look around how university life is
Right.
before they actually take a decision to join a university.
That's
It's
amazing.
also giving them a sneak peek into what goes into
Right.
the various undergraduate programs.
Yeah.
What all there is to offer in English, maths, history, sciences, entrepreneurship, AI tech. So it's a 7-day residential program where students come. They learn life skills, they learn academic skills, there's co-curricular activities, there's horse riding, there's sports, there's yoga, meditation. There are field trips to the museum, there are field trips to the organic farms. So there's a lot of learning and there's a lot of focus on sustainability.
Right.
Now it's now the need of the hour to be more eco-friendly.
Absolutely.
So students engage with a lot of eco-friendly activities on campus, and the most important part of ITF is it's a great platform for students to network with each other, interact with each other, learn from each other, stay together, play together, eat together, work together. And the beauty of the program is it's for the students, by the students, and of the students. So we have a wonderful team of faculty members who take special sessions in summer and winter school. YTF also has a very interesting program called the Shiv Nadar Internship Program, where grade 11 and 12 students come and intern with us. They actually work with us in our departments. They do research, they learn, they engage, they work in our laboratories. So there's so much happening in that 1 week that the students go back with a bag full of memories.
Yeah.
And the best part is I see them coming back again. So somebody
That's
who came for the summer
amazing.
school will come back for the winter school.
Yeah.
If the winter school will come back for the summer school. And finally it turns around to, they want to be at the university for their undergraduate program. So that's our biggest asset, and I think there are a lot of people back home in the university who curate this program along with me. So I have a team of people who work with me. I have a team of students who curate the program, and we have about 20 on-campus jobs that we offer to our present-day undergraduate students who actually sit back in the summer and winter and curate this program with me. And they're the ones who take them around, and they're great mentors, they're great peers. So I think it's a holistic program,
Yeah.
and the entire university, the administration, the security, the medical aspect, everything gets together to curate it. And I couldn't be more thankful that in 3 years we bagged 2 awards, which
Right.
means that of course the program has some credentials to it. And I'd like to take this opportunity to thank our Vice Chancellor, Dr. Ananya Mukherjee, who has been a great support system in giving us the encouragement to go further with these programs and giving us the support that we require and the guidance.
I absolutely love that, especially allowing students to explore some things before they can make a decision about what they want to study at
Exactly.
university, because it's so common that students are confused at that age. So I absolutely love that. I wish you the best of luck with the rest of all your plans.
Thank you.
Now, tell us a little bit about your experience at the conference. How have you found it? How have you found the networking?
I think it's been amazing. I've met some people from Syria to Germany to
Yeah.
Australia to the United States to Dubai. I've met school teachers, I've met school principals, I've met university delegates from all across. It has been a great platform, and I think it's just the day is never ending. It's like we're
Right.
gonna keep going on. Even when we get a chance to sit at the lunch table, we have so many people from all across the world
Yeah.
right there. And everybody's keen to network, everybody's keen to share information and to engage in meaningful conversations. So I think the conference is a great platform for people to come back together. And I could see, I couldn't see many from India,
Yeah.
but I'm hoping that next year around we'll have many more universities and schools coming for this.
Hopefully, for
Yes,
sure.
yes.
And we'd love to see you again. We're so happy that you're having a good experience at the conference. Now, if anyone would like to get in touch with you, can you share some platforms that you're available on?
Sure. So I'd love everybody to just log into our website, which is shivnariuniversity.com. Other than that, I'm available on LinkedIn. I'm there, so it'd be great to connect. And looking forward to connecting with people from all over the world now. We've already had so many LinkedIn exchange.
Right.
Yeah. So it's great.
That's fantastic. Thank you so much, Vinny. It's been a pleasure, and congratulations again.
Thank you so much.